Welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I received a package from the Seedmas. Shout out to Broke Farmer. Shout out to everybody that was throwing seeds everywhere. And I got something. Shout out Gina versus Gina. If you don't know, you should know. Gina versus Gina. It's here. Gina, thank you so much. I'm going to open it. Let me go grab my knife. Yeah, this garden community is the best in the world. There are beautiful people in here. Let's open it and see what Gina versus Gina sent me, because I won it and she was giving out seeds. What a beautiful community, man. It's just amazing to be able to receive seeds, and in the future I'll be sending seeds to you guys out there as well. You don't know when. I would never tell you. Let's see what she sent me, because I didn't care what I got. As long as I got something, I was happy. It could have been anything, and I'm happy just to have something. 0, nah. Even if it's a 1, it's better than a 0. So I'm happy with anything. Gina, thank you. You have gone beyond. So I have spearmint, basil, carrots, lettuce. That's a lettuce that I've never heard of. Endive, almost lost one there. We ain't gonna lose it now. Loofah, oh my God, loofah, baby, come on. Yellow watermelon. You know Gina is the watermelon queen. She wears a crown proudly. Purple sauvage. My pronunciation is not the greatest in the world. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's a purple sauvage cabbage. You know I love my colors. And there is something else. Okay, there you are. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. I'm not going to try to pronounce that. It's a type of squash. Thank you, Gina. And let's see if there's anything else. Yes, there is. Gina, you went in. Honey nut squash. Never heard of this, but I'm going to try it. Honey nut. And she gave me a card as well. Congratulations, fam. That's a beautiful card. Thank you, Gina. Thank you so much for that. Let me just count, like, this is crazy amount of seeds, man. And that's all the way from the United States. Oh my God, that's a blessing. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not even gonna finish that sentence. Let me just count in English so you guys can understand what I'm saying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packets of seeds. That's crazy. Thank you, Gina. Thank you. Oh, this is beautiful. That's mad. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate that. Guys, if you've never heard of Seedmas, it's a beautiful thing in the community where we have like fun, where we roll the dice, see who comes up, and whoever is giving out seeds, if you want to give out seeds, and that, like, look at this, you'll be receiving stuff like this. And keep sharing our seeds. If anybody has seeds that someone else doesn't have, if you are able to, send seeds to this community, because we love you, and we'll do the same to you, you know what I mean, when we get the chance to do so. But thank you so much, Gina. Yeah, it's a lot of seeds, and some of them I've never heard of. So yeah, you made my day. Thank you so much. Oh my God. And yeah, check us out, guys. Check everybody out.